Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between GDP and GNP, two of the most important indicators used to measure a country's economic performance. Although both GDP and GNP measure economic activity, they differ in scope, calculation, and interpretation. Let us understand these differences one by one. Number 1. GDP measures the total value of final goods and services produced within a country's geographical boundaries, whereas GNP measures the total value of final goods and services produced by a country's residents and nationals regardless of where they are located. Number 2. GDP is based on the location or territory where production occurs, whereas GNP is based on ownership and nationality of the producers. Number 3. GDP focuses on economic production taking place inside the country, whereas GNP focuses on economic production generated by the country's residents and businesses worldwide. Number 4. GDP includes output produced by foreign companies and foreign workers operating within the country, whereas GNP includes output generated by citizens and resident-owned businesses, even when they operate abroad. Number 5. GDP excludes income earned by residents from foreign countries, whereas GNP includes income earned by residents from overseas activities and investments. Number 6. GDP does not take foreign income into account, whereas GNP specifically incorporates net income received from abroad. Number 7. GDP is generally used to understand domestic production and economic activity, whereas GNP is used to understand the overall economic well-being of a country's residents. Number 8. GDP is more useful for government policies related to taxation, employment, and domestic growth, whereas GNP is more useful for assessing national income and citizens' welfare. Number 9. GDP is limited to the geographical boundaries of a country, whereas GNP is not restricted by geography and includes global earnings of residents. Number 10. GDP is calculated as the total output produced within the country, whereas GNP is calculated as GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Number 11. GDP shows income generated within the country's borders, whereas GNP shows income earned by the nation's residents irrespective of location. Number 12. GDP can be either higher or lower than GNP depending on the flow of international income, whereas GNP can also be higher or lower than GDP based on net foreign earnings. Number 13. GDP includes production by foreign companies operating domestically, such as a foreign manufacturing plant located within the country, whereas GNP includes profits earned by domestic companies operating in foreign countries. Number 14. GDP does not consider net factor income from abroad, whereas GNP explicitly accounts for net factor income earned from foreign sources. Number 15. GDP is considered an indicator of the economic size and production capacity of a country, whereas GNP is considered an indicator of the economic well-being and income of the nation's residents. To summarize, GDP tells us how much is produced within a country's borders, while GNP tells us how much income is earned by the country's residents around the world. Both indicators are important and together provide a more complete picture of a nation's economy. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.